Hi, this is Adam with Small Town Machine Shop, and tonight I'm working on the Kearney Trecker 2D mill. Starting to get it cleaned up. So far, it's cleaning up really nice. Got this area cleaned up. I'd like to move the table, but it's not moving. The table lock is disengaged. I haven't put a crazy amount of pressure on the wheel or anything. I'd like to move it, and she's pretty stuck. Something I did notice. I don't know how well this is going to show up. It's a little stoved in right there like it got hit. So what I want to do, and it's in neutral. I'm going to take this cover off and see if maybe, because the way this bearing cap's lined up, it looks like this might be the counter shaft. So on a tripod, take this cover off and see what we find. I'll bring you back. Okay, I got you set up. I'll try to keep out of the light. So I took all the bolts off. So you guys don't have to watch me this. Let's see what we see. Okay. It's all, whoa. Very clean in there. That's cool. Okay, I don't know if this is going to be too dark for you guys to see. Let me rotate the camera. Over the shakiness. So that's where that shaft is coming through. Everything looks like a counter shaft there. Okay, so it just rotates on that shaft. So that bit part doesn't matter. I'm going to turn the handle real quick. Okay, so the problem does not seem to be in here. Everything here looks really, really good. I mean, those gears look like brand new. So the table, again, I haven't got on it hard. Tilt it that way. I haven't got on it hard. Let me take this cover off. I took the other one off and clean some more over here. Sorry about the terrible camera work today. And see, I'll clean all this side too, most of it, and I'll bring it back and see what we can find. Okay, so we got it moved. What it was is, old Adam here is not used to really tight, really good condition machines. So I got the table pretty much all the way to the left. You can see flaking all the way through here. Very consistent. I still gotta do some cleanup here and here, of course. Yeah. It was just, I cleaned it up a bit, put some lube in there, started moving it, and just a little bit of corrosion from sitting, the table's so tight, the stiction from that is once it started moving, it broke right free. I need to do some more cleaning and lubing, but yeah. Look at that. Very, very cool. This machine, so far, I mean, the table doesn't move a lot on, you're not hogging out, hundreds of feet of keyed shaft and stuff. But everywhere I've been cleaning it, there's consistent flaking everywhere throughout. The gibs are barely in and everything's nice and tight. So yeah, I could not be happier so far with the condition of this machine. So yeah, I'll drain this, clean that guy up, put new oil in it, rinse it out, keep cleaning the ways. But yeah, this is the staining for where the oil groove was. That's coming off. Very cool. So yeah, table is pretty much freed up. And again, this handle too, all the feeds on this have that the dials move at different speeds. So that's really cool. So yeah, keep working on this. The only other thing is the quill is not coming down. These handles are really sticky. Like, they'll move. See, like that. Ugh. So in the next video, we'll take these off, take this cover off, take these plates off, and clean in here. I know there's a clutch in here, so we'll take a look at that. Hopefully just clean it up and we'll be good to go. So yeah, very cool. This is Adam from Small Time Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.